It's giving pistachio ice cream. It's so good. Okay. Oh, it's wet. It's wet. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am so excited about today's video because we are going to be unboxing the August Lush Kitchen subscription box, which I am so excited about. I actually got to see the contents of this box back a few months ago when I went to pool with Lush, and honestly, this box I think has been my favourite box of the year so far. The theming is perfect. The scents are immaculate. I'm so excited to share it with you. So we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So before I dive in to unboxing this box, I do just want to let you guys know there are 3 options for the kitchen box. The first one is the shower box, which is what I go for personally because I find that I just don't get through all my bath bombs quick enough. So we have the shower box. We also then have the bath box, which always has a little bit of a mix of bath and shower. Then we lastly have the XL box, which low-key really want, but it has all the products. So you have the bath and the shower, you get one of each, and I'm just so excited to dive in. So this month's theming is perfection. It's giving August, it is giving summer. Let me just pull it out and show you guys. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I just can't get over this. I cannot get over the design. I absolutely love this. I think it is perfect for this time of year. It is giving summer, August, beach fun kind of vibe. Like, look at that. Honestly insane. So let's dive into this box and see what we have inside. Again, obviously I do know what we have inside, but I'm just still so excited to smell it again because I feel like I smelt them ages ago. So let's dive in and see what we have. So first item, oh my goodness, I'm already so excited. Okay, the first item we have is the frozen custard shower jelly, and on the pot it says, what better way to cool down than an ice cream, or in this case a yummy custard scented shower jelly shaped as an ice cream. So this, if you don't know, obviously yummy custard is the most delectable scent in the world. It's so good. It smells caramelly, creamy, obviously kind of custardy. It's very vanilla-y and it's absolutely incredible. And this is a shower jelly in that fragrance that's going to be in the shape of an ice cream cone, which I cannot wait to have a look at. Hot again, the packaging, I just think they are spot on every month at the moment with the little packaging, with the labels. I think it makes such a difference, and I also feel like with the labels especially, I feel like it just makes them feel a little bit more special. Do you know what I mean? So oh my gosh, it's so good. It's delicious. It's so sweet. It's so vanilla-y. I'm not going to pull it out because it will go all over. Oh, actually, I probably could. Is there any water in it? Do you know what? Sod it. Let's pull it out. I feel like you guys need to see this. Oh my goodness. I can't get it out. Okay. Oh, it's wet. It's wet. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's slipping out my hand. Okay. Oh, it's so good. It's actually unreal. I don't know where to wipe my hands now. On the pajamas. In terms of ingredients in this one, we have got vanilla pod infusion, carrageenan extract, and agave syrup, but it is essentially a very vanilla-y kind of smell. It smells kind of like that vanilla perfume that they used to have. Do you remember that one? It kind of smells like that. It is so good though. So this is the first item we have, and I'm just so excited about this one. Okay, next up we have this. I'm so excited about as well. This is the Yuzu and Cocoa Sorbet Body Lotion, and on the pot it says, chill this softening skincare sorbet in the fridge, then serve your body a scoop to keep it cool and hydrated. And in terms of ingredients, we have got almond oil, cocoa butter, bergamot oil, grapefruit oil, tonka absolute, and cocoa absolute. I absolutely love the Yuzu and Cocoa scent. It is so good. I still have a bottle of the shower gel, which I have had for far too long, but I just can't bring myself to use it. Also, the packaging again, absolutely beautiful. The attention to detail is just incredible, and it just makes it feel so special, which I'm really just pleased about. So let's give this one a smell. Ooh. Oh, it honestly, that smell makes me emotional. It's so good. Obviously, you do get that kind of fragrance of like a body butter. Like, it has got a very strong body butter smell. Does that make sense? Like a very standard cocoa-y buttery kind of smell. Cocoa-y buttery, that wasn't even a word, but you know what I mean. Oh, but on the skin, it is bang on. It's beautiful. It smells exactly like the shower gel. It's strong enough to be an obvious scent, but it's not overpowering enough that if you wore it with a perfume, it would be too much of a contrast, you know? It's so good. That is actually delicious. Again, I have obviously smelt all these products, but I just couldn't remember how delicious it was. Actually incredible. I love that. I'm so excited to use it. Oh, yum, yum. Okay, next up, let's do the third pot. This one I am very excited about. So this is the Cookie Dough Body Scrub, and on the front of this one it says, with a dash of carob resinoid and a sprinkle of Moorish Vanilla Absolute, this sugary scrub sure does take the biscuit. I feel like we have had this before. I might be wrong, but it seems very familiar to me. Correct me if I'm wrong down below, but again, the packaging, absolutely incredible. In terms of ingredients, we have got extra fine salt, we also have balsam resinoid, we have almond oil, vanilla absolute, cocoa powder, aloe extract, we've also got hazelnut oil and pistachio oil. So if you are allergic to nuts, stay away from this one. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a sandcastle kind of texture, like it's a very hard sugar scrub texture, not sugar scrub, salt scrub texture. Wow. That smells like Play-Doh, but like in a good way. It smells very marzipan-y. Maybe we haven't had this before. That smells really good. Do you know what? Normally I'm not a fan of kind of marzipan-y kind of scents. Like I don't really love like a Di Serrano, do you know what I mean? But this smells delish. And again, the packaging absolutely beautiful. The next item we have is the shower gel in this box. I am such a shower gel fan. Like I have far too many Lush shower gels. Like it's a little bit ridiculous at this point, but I just love them. They're my favorite. And this one I am so excited about. So this is the Creamsicle shower gel. On the bottle it says, asked for by you, made fresh by us, with an ice cream dream team of vanilla pod infusion, Sicilian mandarin and tangerine oils. And in terms of ingredients, this one has vanilla pod infusion. We've also got bergamot oil, mandarin oil, tangerine oil, carrageenan extract, gardenia extract, and I think that's basically it. But I'm sorry, look at the packaging on this one. This is beautiful and I must smell it. Like I have to smell it. I feel like oh, it's just going to be so good. It's so good. It's unreal. Like the smell of this, it smells exactly like an orange ice lolly, which I guess is the point. But it has that creamy like ice cream smell at the same time. Oh, that is so good, so yum, and I'm very excited to try this one. I know that Ryan is gonna like this one, so he probably will steal it from me, but I'm very excited to give this one a try as well. And last but definitely not least, we have a bar of soap, and I'm really glad because my one in the bathroom is in need of a replenish. So this is the, I think it's pronounced Nubar soap, and it's supposed to look like the top of an ice cream. See, scent-wise, it's like pistachio. It's giving pistachio ice cream. It's really, really fresh. It's kind of a little bit earthy though, so if you don't really like garden smells, like myself, you might not love this one. Like if I smelt this in the shop, I probably wouldn't pick it up. Like it's not my favourite, but it is very pistachio-y, which is interesting. In terms of ingredients, this one has got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, it's also got ground hazelnut, we've got vetiver oil, pistachio nuts, which I guess is what I can smell. We've also got rose absolute as well. Again, this one just smells very pistachio-y, like it is very nutty. Also, I'm so sorry if you can hear squawking outside. There's just like a random amount of birds outside at the moment. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, this smells incredible. And again, you can kind of see it's supposed to look like a little ice cream, but you can also see the nuts at the bottom, which is really interesting. Yeah, it's nice. Again, I wouldn't choose it, but it's a lovely addition to the range for sure. So those are all of the items in this month's kitchen box. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I would love to know down below, did you get this month's box? Did you not get the box? What did you think? What was your favourites? Honestly, I actually love pretty much everything. I think my favourite item is probably the shower gel, but I actually am really excited about this jelly as well. To be honest, I actually love it all, to be honest with you. I think this box is really, really great, and just the artwork is actually insane. Like I'm obsessed with that. So yeah, a really good win for me in terms of this month's box, which I'm really happy about. Obviously, if you guys didn't know, I do have a Lush affiliate link, which I always leave down below. If you guys ever want anything from Lush and you use my link, thank you so incredibly much. I do appreciate it, but don't feel like you guys have to use it, but it is there if you wish to. Also, if you guys haven't yet subscribed, what are you guys doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Honestly, I'm so grateful for every single one of you, but we are on our way to 13,000 1,000 subscribers, which is actually incredible, and I would love to hit that this year. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. I love you guys so much. It's actually insane, and I'm just really appreciative. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.